1. Hello everyone. Hope you happy in learning English. Let's review plurals and irregular plurals. Of nouns. Most nouns form their plurals by adding s. Example: door, doors, doctor, doctors. Nouns ending in s, z, ch, sh, and x form their plurals by adding is. Example: box, boxes, class, classes. Some nouns have irregular plurals. We have to memorize them. Example: man, men, foot, feet, child, children, woman, women, tooth, teeth, mouse, mice, etc. Let's change the following sentences from singular to plural, subjects, and its necessary verbs. 1. The pencil is on the desk. 2. The glass is in the kitchen. 3. It is a new dish. 4. The bus is at the corner. 5. The child is in the garden. 6. The clock is on the wall. 7. The watch is new. 8. It is a good picture. Corn. Do you know the answers? Let's try together. 1. The pencils are on the desk. 2. The glasses are in the kitchen. 3. They are the new dishes. 4. The buses are at the corner. 5. The children are in the garden. 6. The clocks are on the wall. 7. The watches are new. 8. They are the good pictures. Wish you happy in English.